Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to install Adobe PDF on my PC or laptop. To start, we will go to the link that we left you in the video description. There, click on Download Acrobat Reader. Wait for the installer to download. After this, click on the downloaded file, click on Run. You must click Yes to confirm the permission. You must wait a moment for the installation to complete. Lastly, Adobe PDF open automatically on your PC or laptop. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.